Well, revolt has erupted within Tehelka. 6 employees have resigned from the magazine, accusing the Tehelka management of double standards. And with the evidence mounting against Tejpal, even the investors have now questioned Tehelka's co-founder, saying that the matter could have been handled in a much better way.
Seven days back, Tehelka co-founder recused himself following allegations of sexual assault by a fellow employee. And what followed was a series of flip-flops from the management. With the rape accused Tejpal even coming out and starting a smear campaign against the victim. But this controversy has clearly not gone down too well with Tehelka employees, as one after the other has put forth their resignations. With the first resignation coming on Saturday.
My editor, Shoma, who should have been holding up my patch of the sky, which is the staff of Tehelka, which is her job to do. I felt she wasn't doing that. I felt she was already speaking on behalf of Tarun Tejpal and trying to talk to my friend about Tarun Tejpal's point of view. I felt that by itself was an absolute travesty of trust, and so I quit.
And as the controversy snowballed, most of the employees disassociating from the organization. With the total resignation count coming to 6 now, including the victim who resigned 2 days back. And it's not just the employees, but investors too, who are wary about their ties with Tehelka.
I do say that Tehelka could have handled it better than what it did. And I think Tarun knows what he's done, and Tarun knows that he will submit to the law of the land, and will face the consequences, if any.
Revolt within Tehelka out in the open. And these resignations clearly demanding nothing but strictest action against Tarun Tejpal, who's accused of a heinous crime. Bureau Report, Times Now.